example of arithmetic operations using switch or the multi-way selection statement. We have seen plus, that is a subtraction, multiplication, division, modular division. So we have seen the given symbols or the notations what we have given as the choice, it were numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Now here, if the question is asked like implement arithmetic operations using multi-way selection statement or multi-way selection statement switch with the help of operator symbols, using switch. Now you can see here the changes what I have made here is, instead of taking this choice as integer, I have took it as character, char ch. Now in the printf statement we are giving the list of choices. I am giving the choice as, for example, if the user is specifying plus operator, then it should perform addition. If the user is interested to perform subtraction, then he is going to enter minus sign. If the user is interested to perform multiplication operation on the given numbers, then we are going to input with star. If he is interested to perform division, then the division sign. So this is how the operator symbols are needed to perform the arithmetic operations. The one case with the switch we have seen with the numbers, but now we are going to see with the symbols, that is character. I am taking the data type as char ch, followed by I need to read it with the percentile C. As it is an individual character, we are reading with percentile C. Now we are entering the values of num1 and num2, same we have seen in the earlier case. Now whatever the symbol the user selects, then the operation corresponding to that block will be executed and we are going to get the appropriate result. For example, the user is giving multiplication sign. Multiplication sign is star and he inputs the two values. Once he or she inputs the value, then the corresponding block will be executed and you are going to get the output. Now let us quick see the output of this particular code. So once we have written, now we can see plus is for addition, minus is for subtraction, star is for multiplication, division, next modular division. Now let me enter the choice as star, enter. Now num1 and num2, 3 num1, 4 is num2. Now you can see the multiplication of 3 and 4 is 12. Now you can see here, whenever we have given the choice we have entered is star. Now whenever the switch case label, it checks where the star has been encountered. In the first case it is not matching, so it will not execute this code. Next minus, and our input is star, it doesn't match, so this block will also be not executed. Next star. Now our switch case label name is matching with our input, then this particular block is getting executed. Now we can see this output. Similarly, let me run for the another test case. Now if I want to perform division, I will be giving 10 divided by 2. It means now I should get quotient as 5. The division of 10 and 2 is 5. Now we are using the input here as symbol division. Similarly, we can also do for the another rest of operations, like if I am interested in performing addition, then plus, give the numbers, it works for any numbers. So this is how we get the arithmetic operations performed using operator symbols. Sometimes we may also expect this kind of a question, and most of the students, they will write with the switch case with numbers. But please do take care whenever the question is asked with the operator symbols, then try to use char data type followed by the notations, whatever you are giving in the case label name must be written in the single inverted commas. These things you need to remember. So once you write this, then your code will be successfully executed with operator symbols. So this is about switch in detail. Thank you.